everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. So today in this video I would like to introduce a new design LED cone bulb for you. This is the special one. You didn't find it right now in the Chinese market. It's a new design and it's a special application. So let me introduce one by one. Generally speaking, LED cone bulb is to replace the traditional mental halide lamp or high pressure sodium. Yeah, you can see here, this is Philips Zone 150 wattage. And anywhere existing in the traditional lamps, it can be used LED cone bulbs. But different fixtures and different application, we would choose the right LED cone bulb to suitable for your fixtures and application. Such as if you want to replace 150 mental halide lamp, normally would be 15,000 lumen. We would like to suggest him use the 18 wattage to replace traditional 150 and 150. So let's look at this 18 wattage. 4,000 Kelvin, we can reach to 12,800 lumen. The efficiency can reach to 150 lumen per watt, and we use Philips chips. The the color temperature can be 2,200 Kelvin up to 6,500 Kelvin. Yeah, I will show you later what's the difference between different color temperature. Here, right now we have 4 different wattage: 24 wattage, 13.5 wattage, 50, 80. So this is the smallest one, 24 wattage. 24 wattage, and we can and this sample is amber color. It tested the color temperature 2,300 Kelvin, but it will be very yellow. The color will be very similar, very close to the traditional mental halide lamp. I will show you later for this one. And this is E27 base. This is the base protection in avoid of shipping damage. Yeah. And we have chips on the button. The driver is inside. You can keep the same existing fixture, just remove the traditional lamps and bypass the ballast and replace this new one. It's okay. Yeah, it can save your labor cost because just 5 minutes is okay for your installation. And we offer 5 years warranty. And here this one is 50 watt. 50 watt, and the size is almost the same with 18 watt. 18 watt, the diameter is only 70 mm, and the height is 205 mm. You can see here we use Philips chips, and the efficiency can reach to 160 lumen per watt. And then this is a new design. You can see what's the difference between this one. They are all 18 wattage. This is have the central point. These chips we arrange on the central point because we keep the same lighting distribution for the customer. Normally for our old LED chrome bulbs, light distribution would be like a bat, but this one can be like a global one. It would be most closely to the traditional one, the lighting distribution. So I will show you the color temperature for different lights. Let's see, this is the 24 wattage and this is amber color, 24 wattage. You can see here, yeah, the color is very yellow. We call them amber color, but actually it tested as 2000 and 2300 Kelvin. We use another 2200 Kelvin chips. It's totally different with this color. This would be more yellow, very close to the traditional one. Yeah. This is 24 wattage. You can see here, this is 50 wattage, and lumen can reach to 8000 lumen. Efficiency 160 lumen per watt. This is 4000 Kelvin. And this one is 18 wattage. And lumen can reach to 12,800 lumen. $4,000 Kelvin. This is also 18 wattage, but it's a central point chips arrangement, and lumen can reach to 12,800 lumen. But the light distribution, this one will be same with the traditional main halide lamp.